Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will learn how to sort and filter data in Jupyter Notebook using Pandas library. Sorting and filtering helps us quickly find useful information from large datasets. In real-world data analysis, we often need to view specific records or arrange data in a meaningful order. And Pandas provides simple functions that allow us to sort values and filter rows very efficiently. So here at first we have imported the pandas library which is used for working with structured data, and then we have created a data set that stores employee information such as name, department, and their respected salaries. Then we have sort the data based on the salary column in descending order, and this helps us quickly identify employees with higher salaries. So we can see Alice has the highest salary and Eva has the lowest salary. And then we have filtered the data set to show only employees who work within the IT department. This condition returns rows where the department is equal to IT. Like Bob and Charlie both are from IT department. And finally, we have filtered the employees who earn more than 60,000 and belong to the IT department. Like both of Bob and Charlie works on the IT department, and both of their salaries are above 60,000. So sorting and filtering allows us to explore data efficiently and focus on relevant information. And using pandas in Jupyter Notebook makes data analysis faster, clearer, and more powerful. If you have found anything informative within this video, please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you within the next video.